great.
No, no, no. I'm really nervous. You are the diva from Eurovision this year. You are the best of one.
Thank you so much.
How you feeling tonight here in Barcelona?
Not even in my dreams. Thank you, Barcelona, for having me here. It's an honor, to be honest, and thank you for your support generally, because you've been supporting me at the Eurovision a lot, because I see a lot of stories and a lot of Spanish people supporting me. You are one of the most active in my social account, except of course Greeks, Cypriots and Georgians, but yeah, I guess Spain is the fourth country in a row.
This night you have 46,000 people waiting you.
Really?
Yes. What you feel when you have 46,000 people there in the other part of the scene?
I think it's a dream come true. No, I don't think it's a dream come true, to be honest. I could never have imagined myself performing in front of so many people, and yeah, I think for every artist it's a dream. So dreams come true.
And I have one dream. Can you send any messages or words for the LGBT community for all the Europe right now?
All the Europe, just express yourself. There are no rules, and just enjoy. Don't listen to anyone. Just enjoy.
Thank you very much.
You so much.
Thank you. Tanta.
Thank you. Muchas gracias, Barcelona.
Yeah,
and I
well.
tried another thing. It was os quiero mucho.
Te queremos mucho nosotros también.
Os quiero mucho.
Yes, we love you
right?
too.
Okay, os quiero mucho, Barcelona. Thank you.
Thank you so